guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Tami and I'm here with my amazing wife, Shae. Yes, as you can see guys, we face light up and everything. You must have wonder what go on. But basically you see the thumbnail and the title of the video, so you already know. We are officially closing on our home. Yay! We don't know how to ask people, miss say. How are you feeling, baby?
Excited.
Yeah? You could have sleep last night?
No.
Me could sleep. So everything is finalized and stuff, so we're just happy and so excited about being homeowners. Yes, on this new journey together. This is like a big achievement for both of us, and we're just happy for it. Me happy. So guys, just stick and stay. You're gonna see a lot more. Who that run back? Who that? Who that? Who that? Who that? Who that? Guys, it's moving there. Wally patch up. We can't get the vlog as we want, but we are move. We're in at the truck and stuff. So yeah, here we go. Packing is never easy. Alright guys, so we're officially out and about. Give you a big drive in a truck and stuff. Yes! Guys, we are officially moving. I'm gonna tell you why the movement is real. Why I never think me pack so much box and pack out so much things in my life. I lose probably about less than 20 pounds right now. Yeah, guys, the journey. Ooh, if you guys wanna be updated on what's going on with us and about the new house and everything what we are gonna do and personalize it, make it our own. So follow me on Instagram at Tami. Rock my shirt. Yeah, you don't know street dance lifestyle series. So remember to like this video, share your favorite part, comment down below, and subscribe. Look, ready for your new home? You ready? Yes. The one Marley bad. Alright guys, so we have arrived. Tappy. Whoa, trouble. Cup time. Guys, so let me give you a little tour. So we truck here. We just pull up. We still have some things in it for unload. Nice, so nice lawn. A little garden and thing. I don't know if them the flowers are gonna survive, but I try my best. And here we go. Welcome. All right. Come in. First room. Still kind of dark. Let's see what that is like. Second room. Still have some stuff moving. Them the things that the lights, so we could manage it and load them there. Third room. Bathroom. Yes.
Nice little tub. So, and then we are here. Hey, baby. Living room. And you know, this is where the magic will happen. Kitchen. The stove, you know, be able to rice and peas every day. Another pantry here. Yeah. Garage. The garage. Yes. And then we are now heading to the master bedroom. And now, look at this mirror, guys. It's crazy. Shower. Oh, I wasn't ready. And now, you know, in a saying now, they look a business private, lockout, you come in. And now the closet, guys. This closet is insane. Look how huge it is. Walk-in closet. Crazy, right? Yeah. And let me show you guys the backyard. Here it is. Nice. Oh, lawn big and pretty. Talk truth. Yeah. So that's the tour, guys. You know, if you guys follow me on Instagram at Tami, you definitely will see more ins and out of the house and how we set it up. Make it very homey. And out here, so now we kind of match up what we are going to do about out here. So because we don't know if we put like a jacuzzi out there, so, or you know, like a little bar, or you know, something. Yeah. So we are going to try to figure out something, but we want it very comfortable. We like sit out on the outside and just breeze out and take in the fresh air. And I love the sunset and the sunrise, so I love watch that. So yeah, this is our home, guys. I hope you guys like it. Hey Crystal, you got on your couch? Yes. Looking good. Welcome to your new home. Packing out and stuff. This is what it looked like so far.
I like the same.
It looked the same.
So we just finished getting here. We're waiting on the movers to take our stuff off the truck. So we can organize our home and get everything situated. So far, how's your experience been, homeowner?
Yeah, maybe the experience nice. The moving part, I not complain because I'm like, this is the final movement because you know this is our home now. So me alright with it. And this is a way we've been working for and it happened. So we're just happy about how everything turned out.
And I appreciate everything.
Yeah. And we have to give God thanks for this because trust me, without it, none of this not possible right now. I'm gonna give another official tour soon, but you know, we just get things kind of organized and so yeah, that's a go on.
Alright, people.
How you feeling, baby? How you feeling?
Chicken.
What? Alright guys, so we have come down to the end of this episode and I hope you guys enjoy this. You know, this is a new journey for us, and I'm really happy about it. I'm really excited.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary. I love you.
PG.
Alright guys, do remember to like, comment your favorite part down below, share this video, and also subscribe.
Guys.
Subscribe.